Let's compare the economic aspects of buying a small electric vehicle, EV, against an internal combustion engine, ICE car like the Toyota Corolla over a 6-year period. Keep in mind that these figures are approximate and can vary based on individual circumstances, market conditions, and specific models. Additionally, the electric vehicle market is rapidly evolving, and prices and technology may change over time. Capital cost. We compare prices in $US. Small EV. Generally, electric vehicles have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional ICE cars. Let's assume a small electric vehicle costs $35,000. Corolla. The Toyota Corolla typically starts around $20,000. Output. Maintenance. Small EV. Electric vehicles generally have lower maintenance costs due to fewer moving parts and less wear on components. Over 6 years, maintenance costs for an EV may be around $2,000. Corolla. Maintenance costs for ICE cars are typically higher due to more complex mechanical systems. Over 6 years, maintenance costs for a Corolla may be around $3,000. Fuel and running costs. Small EV. Electric vehicles have lower fuel and running costs per mile. Charging an EV is usually cheaper than fueling an ICE car. Over 6 years, assuming an average of 12,000 miles per year, the cost may be around $3,000. Corolla. With fuel efficiency and average gas prices, the fuel and running costs for a Corolla over 6 years may be around $6,000. Repairs. Small EV. Repairs for electric vehicles can be expensive, especially if there's an issue with the battery. However, many EVs come with extended warranties for their battery systems. Over 6 years, repairs may cost around $1,500. Corolla. Repair costs for an ICE car like the Corolla may be around $2,500 over 6 years. Resale value. Small EV. Resale values for EVs can be more unpredictable due to rapid technological advancements. However, there's a growing market for used EVs, and resale value may be around 40% of the initial cost, approximately $14,000. Corolla. ICE cars like the Corolla generally have more stable resale values. Resale value may be around 50% of the initial cost, approximately $10,000. Total cost of ownership over 6 years without taking the interest rate into account.
Tesla vs. Toyota cost comparison. Last thing we need to compare is the insurance cost of EV and insurance cost of gas or ICE cars as some people call them. This is the yearly cost for a Tesla Model 3 insurance. This is the Australian price, so I have to multiply by the current exchange rate 0.65. That is about $2,224 United States dollars for the Tesla Model 3. Over 6 years it will cost US $13,344. This is the yearly cost for Toyota Camry insurance. Australian dollar $1,089 by 0.65 equals US $707. Over 6-year span that will be US $4,242. So total cost savings over 6 years roughly will be US $15,000. So the final decision is in your hand, while so many countries are still burning coal and fossil fuel to generate electricity for home use. Finally, adding the battery replacement costs, range anxiety and fast depreciation due to new models coming on the market need to be considered. Tell me where I made mistakes and what to think in the comments. Down below you see a video related to this. Subscribe to my channel and give me a like.